Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariaa Rodriguezz. If you're new here, welcome. Today I created this Valentine's look for you guys. Just a simple glittery look. I feel it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you want to learn how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will have a Valentine's look for you. I already have my eyebrows done and my eyes primed and ready to go. So let's get started with this video. So for this video I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. It is a little busted, so ignore that. So going in with this Morphe M441 brush. Looks like this. The first color I'm gonna be going with, I'm gonna be dipping into two colors, Love Letter and Venetian Red. I don't know however you pronounce that. Which are just gonna be a mixture. It's gonna be this color right here and this color right here. So I'm just dipping into those two colors, and that's gonna be my crease color. And I'm just gonna start off by placing it where I want it and then start blending it and building it out. And then when I barely have any product left, I like to just bring the color up just slightly to the brow bone. Like, I've never hit pan on any palette. The Renaissance palette is the first one I ever hit pan. That's how you know you love the palette so much. And I love this palette. It is so nice. And blends so well, and the colors are so pretty and pigmented. So if I have to take a palette anywhere in the world and just live with one palette, it would be that palette. And just going in with a smaller blending brush. This is the Morphe M506 brush. With that one, I'm gonna use it to dipping out the outer corners of the eye. And to dipping it out, I want to go use this color, this dark color right here, this Cypress Umber. So I'm just gonna pick it up and I'm just gonna place it just in my outer corner, just because I want to darken out that outer corner a little bit more. And I'm just gonna place it right in my outer V. Oh god, this color, I forgot how pigmented it is. So what do you ladies have going on for Valentine's Day? Do you guys have already a date set, or do you guys have anything special going on? Me, I'm just gonna work. I won't have a date, I won't have a Valentine, so I'm just gonna go to work and make that money. I'm going back with that first brush I used to place the first transition and crease color. I'm just gonna go and blend those two together just to make sure there's no harsh lines going on. We just don't want no harsh lines. Okay, and it is looking pretty messy right now. Don't worry about it, we're gonna clean up. This is gonna be a cut crease. Going in with the Born This Way concealer and natural beige. With this Wet n Wild brush, I'm gonna be using that to cut the crease. And then when I'm right here, I just like to lightly feather it off. And since this is gonna be a glitter look, every time I do a glitter look, I first do my eyeliner and then I go back with the glitter, just because sometimes the glitter will make it too chunky when you're placing the eyeliner. Going in with this eyeliner brush right here and using this pretty vulgar gel eyeliner called the Ink 01 Blacklist. And don't worry too much about making it perfect, because we're gonna go back one more layer after we're done putting the glitter. I already did one eye. So we're gonna pick up that Vermeer color right here. And I'm just gonna be using this little brush just to pick up the color and place it where I have the concealer before going in with the glitter. Just so the glitter can stand out a little bit more. Don't worry if you get eyeshadow right here in this part, because you could always go in with a little small smudge brush. This one is by Elf. Looks like this, just really thin. And we're gonna pick up the burgundy colors and then just define that line, just like so. Once that color is placed, we're gonna go with the glitter. Just going in with this Violet Voss glitter and the color Cosmic. With this glitter, you do have to work with it fast because it does dry down pretty fast. And then once you're getting to the edge, just slightly blend that into the brown color. And the reason why I placed that color first is because I want the glitter to not grab onto concealer. I want it to grab onto an eyeshadow and have a base underneath, just so it could pop a little bit more. This little brush will help you get in those spaces that you're struggling with without messing up the look. And it will help you also define that cut crease. And just going back with the brown color, I'm just getting rid of any harsh lines. So if you need to dip back into that brown color, just dip into it, tap out the edges, and then just slowly do a gradient effect, just so there's no harsh lines. Just with any liner, I go back and do another thin layer just to, if there was any glitter that ended up getting into my liner, I can't just cover it up. Now I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll see you back in a second. Hey guys, so I already have all my face ready to go. I'm just baking right now, so I'm just gonna finish the eye area. So for the first color I'm gonna be using is gonna be those two first colors we use as our transition right here. Love Letter and Venetian Red. I don't even think I'm pronouncing it right, so please don't come for me because I try. And I'm just gonna start by, oh, and I'm using the Morphe B33 brush right here, which looks like this. And I left the powder on because that way if any powder does get in my face, I can just brush it off. Looking up does help get in there, because sometimes it's hard to get in there and blend it out. Now to tight line, I'm gonna be using the Cypress Umber, which is that dark brown color we use on our outer V. And I'm going in with this Morphe flat brush right here. And then with the first brush I use, and I'm gonna go back and just blend those two colors together. Just gonna pick up just a little bit more of Love Letter and that beet red color. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I can't. And to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeliner and just tight line. Now I'm gonna set the black eyeliner just using any black eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia 20 brush. It is another flat brush just like this. And I'm gonna use that to set the black eyeliner. And that's it for the eyes. With some Urban Decay. Just gonna set everything in. Going in with the Anastasia in that Primavera color. Right here. And using the Morphe M431 brush. I'm gonna use that to highlight my inner corner and also highlight my brow bone. I'm blending in with that first. I will be going in with my go-to lashes. By Kiss in the number 11. And for glue, I'm gonna be using the Kiss strip adhesive right here. Put it in my backpack and it got a little dirty. I'm gonna start by curling in my eyelashes. If you guys hear music in the background, there's a party going on. It's my little nephew's birthday, so during the celebration, just trying to hurry before people start arriving and I don't have time. La cumbia se la mueve. La cumbia, vamos a bailar esta cumbia. I don't even think the lyrics go like that. So, who else is always late to like family functions and parties? Cause I'm guilty. I'm always late. I may not be like really late, but I'm always late. I try not to be, but sometimes it just happens, you know. Going in with my NYX matte liquid liner. I'm just gonna be going over my lash line just to hide any glue. My top lashes, I will be using the Tartiest to blend out those my natural lashes with my falsies. Now for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna be using the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. For lipstick, I wanted to go with something pink just to suit the whole look. Oh, look at me, I'm looking all cute. I saw her coming in. So I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star lippy in the color Calabasas. There we go. And this is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think about it? And I'm just gonna be going in with one more round of all-nighter spray. You can never go wrong with too much setting spray, just because if you really want the whole look to last, then you know. Hey guys, well, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this look for you guys. I loved it. I loved how it turned out. That glitter just brings out and makes it look so pretty on the eye. If you guys do recreate it, please tag me. I would love to see you guys' looks. And also have a happy Valentine's Day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, goodbye.
Bye. Hi guys, this is my channel now. Can I pour some in my face?
Okay.
Yeah, you can see that. Good.
Oh no! Oh, that hurt it. Hey guys, today I created this.
No, the outro.